When disaster strikes or you are faced with a life-threatening situation, the only thought that comes to mind is how to survive. There is an adrenaline rush and our instincts and survival skills kick into high gear. No one wants to die like a chicken, so people are working around the clock to develop new methods to stay alive as long as possible. Even technology can be our savior in the face of danger. There are now various technology tools that ensure that when danger kicks in, you stay alive. Gone are the days of very high death rates. What we have in today's video is everyone's business. We are discussing 12 inventions that can save your life. Stay tuned and let us know which one has saved your life already. Number 12. Personal locator beacons. These are portable devices that transmit an emergency signal to global search and rescue services, saving countless lives every year. Just imagine being stranded in the middle of nowhere with no means of communication. That is where the personal locator beacon kicks in. Once you activate this device, it sends your precise location and a distress signal to search and rescue personnel, who can dispatch a team to rescue you. Personal locator beacons utilize a network of satellites known as the Global Positioning System and the Rescue Satellite Aided Tracking System. Hikers, pilots, and sailors all benefit from this technology. With this technology, you no longer need to worry about getting lost. Number 11. First aid kits. Everyone knows first aid kits, and you must be wondering, what is this even doing on the list? I mean, is a first aid kit even a technological tool? But the truth is that modern first aid kits are technological tools. Modern kits include various supplies such as bandages, antiseptics, analgesics, and even tourniquets. First aid kits can be the difference between life and death in emergencies. They have tools and supplies to treat various injuries and illnesses from minor cuts and scrapes to life-threatening emergencies. First aid kits have been a mainstay in houses, offices, and vehicles, and save millions of lives yearly, even more than the overall record of some top hospitals. Number 10. Parachutes. When jumping out of an airplane, the last thing that you want to do is hit the ground without a parachute. Parachutes are life-saving devices that have been saving lives in aviation for a long time. Many military, paratroopers, and daredevil skydivers would have died without this technological device. The early parachutes differed from the modern, highly engineered devices we see today. The first parachutes were a little more than large, circular pieces of canvas or silk, with no way to control the direction of descent or the speed of the fall. But as technology advanced, so did the design and function of the parachute. They are now devices that save many lives in the air. It's like having a skydiver's insurance. Number 9. Emergency position indicating radio beacons. When your plane goes down in the middle of the ocean, it can be fatal. But just like the personal locator beacons, the emergency position indicating radio beacons transmit a distress signal to satellites, allowing search and rescue personnel to pinpoint your exact location and mount a rescue effort. They are important for anyone embarking on a sea voyage, whether it is a commercial shipping vessel or a private yacht. They operate on a system known as the International Coastal SARSAT program, which was developed in the 1970s to provide a global search and rescue capability for distress situations on land, sea, and in the air. They relay the signal they receive to a series of ground stations worldwide, thereby saving many lives over the years. Number 8. Automated external defibrillators. Cardiac arrest is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, with only a 10% survival rate if no immediate treatment is provided. But since the invention of automated external defibrillators, the odds of survival have jumped to over 70%. That is to say, many lives have been saved through this technology. They are devices that delivered electric shock to the heart, helping to restore a normal rhythm. They are designed to be simple and easy to use, with clear instructions and even voice prompts to guide the operator through administering a shock. They are so important because they can be used by anyone, regardless of their medical training. They are also equipped with sensors that detect the heart's rhythm and determine whether a shock is needed. Number 7. Smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are the unsung heroes of home safety, silently monitoring the air for signs of danger and sounding the alarm when they detect smoke or fire. Smoke detectors use either a photoelectric sensor or an ionization sensor to detect the presence of smoke or fire. This means that when smoke enters the device, it triggers an alarm that can be heard throughout the house, alerting residents to the danger and allowing them to evacuate safely. There are now even smoke detectors that can connect to your home's Wi-Fi network and send alerts to your phone. Number 6. Fire extinguishers. These devices are very common. They are portable firefighting devices that are designed to quickly and effectively extinguish small fires before they even have a chance to spread. Fire extinguishers are classified according to the type of fire they are most effective at fighting. Class A extinguishers are best for solid materials like wood, paper, and cloth, while Class B extinguishers are for liquid and gas fires. Class C extinguishers are for electrical fires, while Class D extinguishers are for metal fires. Then there is also the Class K for kitchen fires. Fire extinguishers are very important when it comes to safety. Number 5. Life jackets. Life jackets are a lifesaver in any water-based activity, from boating and swimming to water skiing and surfing. They are safety devices that are designed to keep you afloat in the event of an accident or emergency, providing buoyancy and support to help prevent you from drowning. Life jackets come in a variety of styles and sizes. It's important to choose the right type for your activity. While they are often associated with recreational activities, life jackets are also required by law in many places, including on commercial vessels and personal water vehicles. Number 4. Helmets. If you engage in high-risk activities like cycling, skateboarding, skiing, and rock climbing, then helmets are a must-have. They are protective headgear devices designed to absorb the impact of a fall or collision, reducing the risk of serious injury or even death. Like life jackets, helmets come in various shapes and sizes, including traditional hardshell helmets and more lightweight and ventilated designs. While they may not be fashionable, they are a proven lifesaver. Number 3. Seatbelts. Seatbelts are the simplest yet most effective safety devices in transportation history. They work by holding you securely in place during a collision or sudden stop, preventing you from being thrown from the vehicle or smashing into the windshield or dashboard of your car. Studies have shown that seatbelts reduce the risk of fatal injury by 45% for front seat occupants and by 60% for rear seat occupants in passenger cars. Seatbelts may seem like a no-brainer these days, but it took decades of campaigning and advocacy to make them a standard feature in cars worldwide. Today, seatbelts are required by law in most countries with stiff penalties for those who fail to use them. Number 2. Airbags. Airbags are another life-saving innovation in automotive safety. They are inflatable devices designed to cushion the impact of a collision, reducing the risk of serious injury or even death. In today's world, most cars have at least 2 airbags, a driver's side airbag and a front passenger airbag. They are deployed based on the collision severity and the occupant's position. Airbags can be dangerous for certain people, especially children and small adults. Following the manufacturer's recommendation for seatbelt use and child safety seats is important. Number 1. Defibrillators. Defibrillators are the ultimate life-saving devices, capable of restarting a stopped heart in seconds. They are portable electronic devices that deliver a precisely calibrated electric shock to the heart, restoring its normal rhythm and saving the patient's life. Many modern defibrillators are equipped with voice prompts and visual instructions that guide the operator through administering the shock. They are common in hospitals, ambulances, and public places like airports and shopping malls, which have saved many lives. Technological inventions have contributed to saving many lives worldwide, and these are the ones we have to unveil today. We are sure you know some that you think should have made the list. Do let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if technology is something that catches your fancy, because we are all about technology. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and tell us what you enjoyed most about the video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.